Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix the connection to Steam. Chapter 1. Steam says no connection fix from the Steam properties. To start, right-click on the Start menu, then click on Task Manager. Here you are going to select the Steam process, then click End Task. After this, right-click on the Steam shortcut, click Properties. In the open window, you will go to the Target section. At the end of the text, enter the word -TCP. When you click Apply, you must confirm administrative permissions. Now open Steam to see that there is no error. Chapter 2. Steam says no connection fix in compatibility mode. To start, right-click on the Steam shortcut, click Properties. You are going to go to the Compatibility tab. Here, check the box to run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK. Open Steam to validate. Chapter 3. Steam says no connection fix by disabling the firewall. To start, enter the word Firewall in the search. Then, click on Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on the option to turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Then, check the boxes Turn off Windows Defender Firewall. Click OK to apply the changes. You can open Steam to check. Chapter 4. Steam says no connection fix from CMD. To begin, enter the word CMD in the search, then click Run as administrator. In the console, run the command netsh int ip reset c:\resetlog.txt to reset the IP properties. After this, reset winsock with the command netsh winsock reset. Now free the DNS cache. To do this, run the command ipconfig /flushdns. Then, click on the Start menu. Then, click the Shutdown button and restart Windows. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When you log in, open Steam. Chapter 5. Steam says no connection fix by configuring the DNS. To start, enter the word network in the search. Then click View Network Connections. Here, right-click on the network adapter, select Properties. Then, select the line to Internet Protocol version 4. Click Properties. Now, check the box to use the following DNS server addresses. Enter the desired address. Click OK. Open Steam to validate that it works. Chapter 6. Steam says no connection fix by opening Steam as administrator. To use this method, in the search enter the word Steam. After this, click on Run as administrator. The Steam will open without errors. Chapter 7. Steam says no connection fix by updating Steam. To start, open the Steam app. Then go to the Steam menu. Click Check for Steam client updates. Wait for validation. Chapter 8. Steam says no connection fix by updating network driver. To start, right-click on the Start menu, then click on Device Manager. In the Network Adapters section, right-click on the driver. Click Update Driver. Now click Search automatically for drivers. Wait for the search to be carried out. Open Steam to validate its operation. Chapter 9. Steam says no connection fix by reinstalling Steam. To start, enter Steam in the search. Here, click Uninstall. When the control panel opens, select Steam, then click Uninstall. Follow the steps in the Uninstall wizard. Now go to the link that we left you in the description of the video. There you click on Install Steam, download the app. Run the downloaded file. Follow the steps of the installation wizard. You can see that Steam opens without errors. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.